Welcome to Priya Creations. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know which you like me to draw next.
Here I am using black color sketch pen to draw this design. This is flower border design. Draw the flower outline like this. Now I am drawing leaf shape. Draw the leaf shape like this. Same repeat here. Put a dots like this. Same repeat here. Here I am using black color marker pen. Draw the lines like this. Now I am using black color sketch pen for these dots. Same repeat here. Draw the dots like this. Again repeat here. I am using black color sketch pen for these dots. Now I am using black color pencil. Fill this middle space with black color pencil. Now I am using pink color brush pen. This is light pink color brush pen. Now I am using light pink color oil pastel. Fill like this. I am using tissue paper for rubbing this. If you want, you can use cotton or yogurt. Now I am using light blue color brush pen. Here I am using green color highlighter. Fill this leaf shape with green color highlighter. Draw the line like this. I am using scale and black color sketch pen for these lines. Draw the 3 lines like this. I am drawing a round shape. I am using light pink color sketch pen, brush pen. Here I am using green color crayon. I am using tissue paper for rubbing this. Clean like this. This was completed. Here I am using black color sketch pen to draw this design. This is flower border design. Draw the flower outline like this. I am using black color sketch pen for outline. Draw the leaf shape like this. Do you have any doubts regarding border designs or color pens? Comment on comment section. I am using pink color sketch pen. Here I am using blue color brush pen. Now I am using dark green color brush pen. Here I am using light green color highlighter. Fill like this. Now I am drawing one more flower in a small size. Draw the leaf shape like this. Same leaves repeat here. Draw the round shape like this. If you want any type of border designs or cover page designs or any type of cards, comment on comment section. Follow me on Instagram, link given in the description box. I am using light blue color brush pen. Here I am using light green color highlighter. This is dark green color brush pen. Fill this space with dark green color brush pen. Now I am using yellow color brush pen. Draw the line like this. This is yellow color brush pen. Now I am using scale and black color sketch pen for these lines. Draw like a frame. Here I am using light blue color pencil. Draw the line like this. This is radium color highlighter. Please like the video, share and subscribe to my channel for more
Thank you so much
videos.
for watching.
Press the bell
Support
icon
me
for
and like, share
notifications.
and